Back on the Bullet Garage.
Bullet Garage, just sitting here with the old. Y'all remember this guy? This guy right here.
Yeah, the guy said I was gonna be out for a long time.
You were out for a long time. You were out for like 7 months, bro.
No, I was not.
It's been 7 months, and you're not even officially back. What are you talking about? You acted like you could just come out tomorrow and
go to the track, and you're like, oh, I can't because my car's not.
I'm going to the track this week.
Because my car's not ready.
I'm going to track this week. What about you?
You are going to track this week?
Yeah, Friday.
Okay. I'll make plans.
You'll make plans not to go? How do you like Huron Speed's kit so far?
Good, man. Let me lift it up a little.
Yeah, see the bottom. I won't show the people the bumper because you refuse to paint it, but that's fine.
Yeah. I've got to paint it once. They did it all right, John.
Yep, Huron Speed header kit right here with the twin turbo side-by-side action going on. Trying to figure out what he's gonna do for exit.
For right now. Temporary.
You got a big old ass intercooler. Oh, you know what?
You forgot to bring the other ones, huh?
I forgot to bring the other one. I don't know why you were running 2 intercoolers, but that's fine.
When I want to make Gap and Juan horsepower, and this is for Gap people on the street horsepower.
So I failed on one thing.
What was that?
I didn't turn the CO2 bottle on.
You went to go drive it actually?
No, we were on the 2-step.
And what the fuck happened?
There's only a baby flame on the driver's side.
Oh my god.
Yeah, basically. That's basically it.
Basically what happened?
So I'm not gonna tell the people probably what happened, but
what happened?
it just didn't. I mean, no, that's what happened, but
so
it just. So we did the video. Everything came out good.
Pounds or something on there? Or I don't know
Yeah, 4. Yeah, 4 pounds, and that was the problem. So I did the video, everything was done, and I just kept seeing that. I'm like, I can't release it like this, you know.
Watch this, guys.
So now I'm gonna have to get the car back in the trailer, take it back to the shop, shoot the video again at night back there, and this time do it right. And the thing is, I didn't even think about it till I got home. I was like, God damn it! Had I just done that, everything would have been fine. So, and the problem is I had promised the people that I was gonna release the video Sunday or Tuesday at the latest.
Which one did you think?
It's now Tuesday.
Yeah, true.
So.
You've had how long one?
I've had very long time to get this done, and I haven't been able to do it. So, you're watching this right now. I apologize for not getting the video out in time, like I said I would. It's actually ready. It's on my YouTube. I'm not happy with it. And it's not anything anybody did, like Hayden or Colin, my buddy who helped me out with the video. They did a great job. They got good footage. It was on my end. In the meantime, we're just gonna sit here and mope around and watch Solomon try to work.
Try is a very, very good word.
I don't think we've raced since you had this motor, have you? Did you have the motor? Did you have the motor? Did you have the motor when you double bowled me?
Yeah, the one where I was trying to hurry up and get it past. Yes.
Okay, so for those of you that don't know, when Solomon decided to play games and double bowled me, that was on a Dart. So that's what he has in there. He's upgraded his transmission to a Turbo 400. I think it's an FTI. He now has a Pro Torque converter. Also upgraded the rear end to a 9-inch. And a lot of little go fast goodies. So the kit is now a twin turbo kit from Huron Speed. Big shout out to those guys for helping us out on this kit. And yeah, big shout out to John. And he also upgraded the wheels. He's got new wheels and tires on the car. I mean they are super nice. Billet Specialties wheels. 17s in the front, 15 bead locked in the back. Not that he needs them because he's slow. And a 9-inch. He's got that 9-inch in the back that he's upgraded as well. He still does need to work on the shock settings. He still has single adjustable, I don't even know what, QA1 shocks. Yeah, you're gonna need to upgrade those pretty soon. FTI transmission, like I said, with the Pro Torque converter. His brand new Dart LS Next block. Short block, complete with my old cylinder heads. Huron speed, twin turbo, a lot of power. A lot of modifications that he's making just to be able to beat me.
Shut the fuck
But
up. Not even because of you.
it's just because of me. So yeah, that's the update on Solomon's car. And are you ever gonna race again?
Yeah, are you ever gonna race again?
I mean, yeah.
Exactly. So
I've been
shut up.
racing.
No, you have not won. I told you let's go race that one time. No.
One time you tell me I don't go, and all of a sudden I'm retired.
That's all it takes. People don't forget.
Didn't you go with bigger turbos?
Those are 6775s.
60, 70, 75s.
Yeah.
They look small compared to your big old 102 that you had on there.
And the 94, but yeah.
Are these still VS Racing?
Yeah, they're still VS Racing. Yeah. So the next size is like 78, 75s.
Cool.
Yeah, that was pretty big.
Yeah.
That's what you need. I mean, you need bigger, but you actually want to go fast. Well, I mean, you've been pretty fast on one of those 72s, right? Or 69 or 72?
Getting the turbo kit just about done. Looking inside his Pro Mod over here with his screen and everything. Bro, is that a Camaro seat?
Oh yeah, I had Garrett with
Bro.
me. I had Garrett with me. We were fucking...
Bro, what are you doing with a Camaro seat in your Transam?
Secretly, I wanted Camaro.
I know, I could
Because it's so
tell.
light.
Yeah, I know, I could tell.
I figured if I
Just
put a
swap,
Camaro seat, it'll be lighter.
swap,
Huh?
swap.
I'm okay. It leaves a lot more work.
Not just a tuner, but also a fabricator. I saw that. I saw that. That's on video. All right. Now what?
Sorry, if it was raining, man, I'd be testing it out. If it was not raining, I would be testing it out.
Guess it's race time.
Huh?
Guess it's race time.
Oh, it's race time, yeah. Ready?
We're gonna get to racing here pretty soon. His car's almost done. My car's obviously ready to go racing with. And yeah, that's where we'll leave it. Stay tuned. The next video hopefully will be the reveal of my car.